Hi, this is Kathy, and I'm not at the library yet, but it's cold out here. I can tell that we're going to have frost one of these days, so I wanted to let you see a couple of ideas that might help you with the extending the life of your garden. When it's early frost and it doesn't frost really hard and deep for too long, you can cover your plants and keep the vegetables growing for a little longer. You can use a tarp or even a sheet. And the best answer would probably be something like this. This is greenhouse covering, and it makes a great way to keep your vegetables growing. You can start them under it in early spring, and the sunlight gets through and you don't have to remove it during the day unless it gets too hot. So, just letting you know, there is one trick to this, and that is whatever part of the cover is touching the plant, that part of the plant will probably freeze. You need to put stakes in, or like a tomato cage or something, to keep the tarp up above the plant if possible. Otherwise, just be prepared to lose the top edge of the plant, and you'll still be able to eat whatever vegetable is growing on it. Just wanted to let you think about that. You can use it in spring to start your vegetables early, and you can keep them going a little bit into the fall season if there's anything still good on the vines. So, I hope you stay safe and stay well and keep eating the good stuff.